Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are at another location. We know that you guys love the house hunting vlogs, so here is another one just for you, for all the persons out there looking for house or land in St. And we try as best as possible to find these places so that you can decide if you want it or not. And we're at another location, so we're going to do a walk-in with the realtor now, so you guys can see exactly how it looks. This house is for $25 million. Let's go. All right, this land is very fruitful. So this land is three-quarter acres of land. It is very massive. You guys you can go and check out the last video that we did. This is for 25 million, and look at the land space, three-quarter acres of land. And the one for 24 million that we saw in the last vlog, link it in the iCards above. You guys will see that the land space is like this. So compared to that one, this land space is massive, and you have a lot of fruit trees on the land. Like, it is massive. So it is tenanted, so people live in here. So see it, look, mango tree, banana, and a lot of fruit trees, a whole lot of fruit trees. And see, I have one little dog in here. It is tenanted, as I said, so people still live in here. I have breadfruit tree, soursop. To see if we could soursop up in there. Little soursop up in there. You have a lot of coconut trees, and the place is just peaceful and quiet. See, peace and quiet.
Thank you for wearing your mask.
Of course. COVID.
Yes.
Yes, it is. It is a nice place. So if you are a family, many family persons in your family.
Thank you for allowing us to.
Morning, afternoon.
Yes.
If you're around here, I know you have your banana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Banana coming up here. Yeah, sweet sop, Mr. Sour sop, one. A sweet sop, it was a sour sop. Oh, okay. So I don't know my fruit.
But down here is a studio. And then each floor is a separate unit now.
Okay.
So the ground floor has actually, what you could say, I said two, it could actually be three bedrooms, because you see when you go through. Two bathrooms, living, dining, and a grilled patio to the front. And then upstairs is two bedrooms, one bathroom, living, dining, and two verandas on both sides.
Both sides, yes,
And the
obviously.
upstairs one has a sea view.
Alright, so this is the
studio.
This is the studio. This is lovely for a single person if you know it was separate.
And then we repeat to come from.
Yeah, the kitchen.
And the bathroom is there, right?
This is the kitchen area. Oh no, right. So this is the kitchen.
Structurally, when I look one place, I actually look on the structure.
Yeah.
True.
And something like,
Everything.
so look intact. As I said, that needs some modernization. And
Right. We have a closet area. And your bathroom.
This bathroom, alright.
Person who live here. Nicely decorating place. So this is the bathroom, guys. So as I said before, it is tenanted, so anything we are seeing here is for the people. Alright, and then decorate. This is the studio. This is the downstairs area. Oh, this is a open floor plan. Here you have the kitchen, living dining. I like open floor plans. Just make everything feel.
I like to say, a lot of windows like you see.
Yes.
Vibes
Yes.
outside and light. Yeah, outside.
Oh,
study it could be.
okay.
But let us turn it into
A bedroom. And you go all the way through here.
Check the veranda.
And this is the veranda area.
Oh,
Oh, so this is the bathroom. Alright. Okay, bedroom. Oh, so this room has its own bathroom. So the closet and you know your room space. And then your own ensuite. Ensuite, what do you call it? Ensuite bathroom. His and hers thing. Yes, you have your vanity lights and your all of that. Yes! I'm matching! So we're matching, guys. And your tub area. It's high tub. So this is the ground floor and it opens into the
Paran.
yeah, so it's an exit as you can see. But it is so much potential. Can't work out everything by yourself.
Rosemary.
Rosemary. Aloe vera. Fever grass. I don't know. Thyme. And flowers. There was a garden area here all around the road. The veranda. So this huge balcony. Yes.
You know what
So, is that
this will be good for one, like one put on outside food on it.
true? Oops.
Even the kitchen.
Now we say it's set up for living bathroom kitchen.
Okay.
The master.
Okay.
So this will be in the bathroom. The walk-in closet.
Oh, okay.
And the master bedroom here.
Oh, okay.
And then you have
This gives a little sea view. So this is the back patio.
spot that they drink scotch and
And chill,
A
yes.
glass of wine.
Yeah. SEAVIEW, guys.
You know?
SEAVIEw.
I want to put a zip line and just
Yeah, that's true.
zip line to the mango tree.
Oh my god. Yay. Alright.
And here you have a bedroom.
This is a bedroom. This is another.
Bedroom?
Yes, sir. And this is it.
Sorry, sir.
I'm sorry.
We apologize. Oh,
And this-
bathroom, okay.
Okay, one bathroom.
Initially, there would have been a master.
Okay, so this is the one.
So this is one. Okay.
2 bedroom. 1 bath.
Big bedroom.
Bedroom. Yeah, this one is big.
It has a sliding.
Sorry, darling.
It has a sliding glass. No, this one is not sliding, but they have
Oh, this one is the glass. Oh, it opens
out to the veranda.
out to the veranda here. The view is just lovely. So it has a
And
closet.
again, structurally, it's sound.
Yeah.
You know, no problem structurally. You know, so
Structurally, no
leak in the
issues.
roof.
Right.
I don't know, I think that.
You just need, it's a fixer up, you just put in your little fixtures and. Oh boy.
I think
The
you've
breeze
seen
is
the entire
nice.
property. Yeah.
Yes, we have.
It's a very huge property.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Starfruit. Starfruit tree. And sour orange. Grapefruit.
Place have a lot of potential.
Whole heap. Sorry. If you're a person who likes to plant, make it as sophisticated as you want it to be, or
Went to the place.
alright guys, so this is the neighborhood. This is Lakeside Park. Remember we came here for the last house that was for $24 million.
So that's a property, we need to find that out, guys. So stay in touch for that one as well. Yeah, landscapes are very nice, trust me.
Alright guys, so based on the house that we just viewed, I want to give my final thoughts. You see, because the house is tenanted, as I mentioned in the video, you wanna see, you know, the place is not going to be empty. It is a fixer-upper, as you can see. It is not a major fixer-upper in terms of structure. Windows are very modern, are modern enough. It is modern, and the land space is
Big.
it for me.
And
the land space is it for me. It has so much fruit trees and you know all of that.
in comparison that we did the other day, you can check that video out and then compare it with this one just to see the difference. Remember that we were telling the guys that it is not hard in Jamaica to get a good house for your money. So $25 million compared to 24, waste of time.
Waste of time.
Compared to the
because
25.
this is a huge house. As you can see, it was them parked it up and stuff like that. I guess it was because they wanted to rent it out and all of that.
Yeah.
But if you have a large family or if you plan to go ahead and rent it out, it is already in the structure in which you can give somebody a room and a bathroom and
Definitely.
a kitchen for themselves. You understand? A studio apartment. So everything can be studioed out. I like the property itself, the land space. I just like how it looks and feels. You can have anything that you want on the land. You can build extra rooms on the land if you wish to. It's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and purchase. As we said, as we always say, the links will be down in the description below for the person for the realtor who walked us through the property. So if you are interested in this very property, you can go ahead and call the realtor, set up an appointment, because they go by appointment. Place is actually under offer, so if you can run in on it as well. Remember, no offer is final until it is final, you know. So you can go ahead, call, set up a viewing, so you can come and look at the property. As we said, it is not very far from where you go and take taxi, if you take taxi, and the taxis also will drop you there.
We thank you all for watching, and remember guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification, because I realize that you guys subscribe to the channel but you don't click the bell icon.
Notification on, guys.
Yeah,
come on.
You understand? So if you're new to the channel, ensure that you click the bell icon, and then you're gonna see the waves. Ensure you click that and you're gonna see all notifications. Don't miss these deals guys, because when we post, we don't want you guys to miss out. We want you guys to have all the best opportunities first, because you know that we love you guys and you guys love us. We care for you, you guys care for us. So please ensure that you guys subscribe, right? And remember, if you are returning as usual, you know, we still love you, and we always are gonna love you. So thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to share, because somebody out there might want the house. $25 million. I like it because it's very big. So
it's huge.
I love you. Rakisha still love you.
I do, guys.
And we will see you in our next video.
Bye.